Hello everyone, welcome to Vidita's Corner vlog 18, and in this video I am going to tell you how to clean the cupboard when it is really messed. As you can see, this is my cupboard and it is really messed. So today I am going to show you how to clean it. When I was in KG2, my teacher taught me how to fold the cloth and keep it in the cupboard. First I am going to keep all my clothes on the bed. As you can see, I keep all of my clothes over here, and now I am going to fold them with the help of my mom. We'll fold separately, like nightsuit in one place and all my pants in one place and all my jeans in one place and t-shirts in one place. Now I'm going to keep all my clothes in the cupboard by the help of my mom. As you can see, me and my mother cleaned my cupboard, and how nice it looks. Before, did you remember how bad it looked? But now me and my mother made it so clean. And I enjoyed this activity a lot. These are the clothes which are small to me, so I'm going to donate these to needy people. Now I'm going to learn how to dry my clothes with my mom. Now I'm going to donate clothes. Thank you. Till the time, bye. We'll meet in next video.